Hey guys, so today we're going to be covering the animatronic hand that I made in a previous video. Part 2, baby! Part 2!
This is my first part 2 video.
So if you haven't seen that video, please go and check that one out first. It'll help a lot. It probably won't, I don't know. So you should watch part 1 and then come back and watch part 2. I'll link to it in the description if you haven't watched it already. Anyway, let's get into building! All done! I always say sweet, all done. It's ridiculous. Help ye! But the lighting is so wrong. Oh my word. Okay. So you can move each finger individually with the strings like before. I just used cardboard to cover the whole thing. I thought of using Sondor, but the one I've got is black, so you wouldn't be able to see the details and it wouldn't look as good as I think it does with cardboard. I'm also a total nerd and considered turning it into the Thanos gauntlet, but I'm not sure. I might do that still later. Cool, thank you so much. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.